What's going on, baby? It's been a minute. Things are happening. New house, new studio, but I know you don't care about that. I know you want to get right down to the booze. Today I'm going to show you how to make a f***ing Caesar, a Canadian classic. Now this drink is super popular in Canada, and I don't know why, because I think it's f***ing disgusting. Spicy cold tomato soup with vodka. Dig in, sounds great. Doesn't sound good enough yet? Throw some fucking clam juice in there. That'll make them really want it. But hey, I'm not here to judge people. So first thing you want to do is rim the glass. Get yourself 2 bowls, one with lemon juice in it, one with Caesar rim. Now if you want to go above and beyond and impress everybody with your Caesar knowledge, you can make your own Caesar rim. But if you're a lazy asshole like myself, Clubhouse has you covered. So just take your glass, dip it in the lemon juice, and then dip it in the Caesar rim. Look at that, it's beautiful. All right, next thing you want to do is grab some ice with your dirty, unwashed COVID hands, put it in the glass. After that, add a few dashes of Worcestershire. And then depending on how spicy you want it, add Tabasco accordingly. You can choose any type of hot sauce you want. This is just what I have on hand. Caesars are like people, they can go both ways. You can use gin or vodka in it. And thanks to my friends over at the Durham Distillery, we have the choice of both. We have the choices of their brand new London Calling Dry Gin or their Patio Lanterns Vodka. Both are locally made in small batches, and you can taste the love and care that they put into it. But today, I'm going with gin. So add 1.5 ounces of gin to the glass. Caesars are meant to be fun. You think Caesars, you think weekend brunches, you think Sunday fun days. You can put whatever you want into the fucking glass. You know what? Let's add like 1/4 ounce of that lemon juice into the glass. Boom! Oh damn, that's gonna be a treat. You like it extra spicy? Well goddamn, let's put some horseradish in there. What? This isn't Arby's, this is your f***ing Caesar. Skidoosh. Just give it a quick little stir, get everything moving around. And then this is what you need to top everything off. This is clamato juice, and what makes it different from just regular tomato juice? There's clam juice in it. Now I know what you're thinking. Clams? Ugh. I'm right there with you, buddy. But let me tell you, people love this shit. Just pour it on top. All right, you might think we're done, but we're not done yet. Now is for the most fun part, the garnish. Now people like to go above and beyond with the garnishes. Some people just put a little celery stalk in there. That's fine. Some people put little sliders in there, little cheeseburgers. Some people put octopus tentacles in there, shark fin. I don't know, I'm just shooting from the hip here. I like to keep it classic, and I'm just gonna go with a McClure spicy pickle. Oh, I'm a real man. You just lay it on top, boom. There you go, that's how you make a Canadian classic. This is the Caesar. Boys, I think she's leaking. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Show this to all your friends. Say, hey, listen, Mario, make me a Caesar, and this is how. If your girlfriend's not pulling her away, hey, Stephanie, you know what? I would love a Caesar tomorrow morning. This pickle looks good.